most comfortable diaper any baby can wear.
If you're having trouble breastfeeding, try these few tips.
Hello, you've reached Neil. I'm not at my desk right now, but please leave a message after the beep.
Hey, honey. I was just wondering if you were maybe free around 3 to have sex?
This is now our love life. Scheduled encounters.
You know what, Neil? I had a window.
It's like all you care about is my sperm.
No, but I had a window.
Bye, hon.
Don't forget the dry cleaning.
Just relax. It might happen if we stop thinking about it.
I think we need to talk. To a fertility specialist.